Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you a profit update from my experience of staking USDC on the OKEX exchange via their earn feature. And at the time, they were paying 20% APY for staking USDC for a 30-day period. And I did create a video going through the process of actually staking the USDC for that 30-day period. And so if you are interested in how to set up and stake via OKEX's earn feature, you might want to go back and watch that video. And if you missed that video, well, you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Now, with that all being said, when I was actually staking the USDC, you can see that I got a confirmation that the amount I was going to stake was just shy of $1,000. That's all I actually had available at the time on the OKEX exchange. The rest of the funds were tied up in trades, so I went ahead and staked my maximum amount I could, I think, at the time. And I did have the option to actually stake less. I think the minimum was 1 USDC and the maximum was 5,000 USDC. And then the term, like I mentioned, was 30 days. The estimated rate of APY was 20%. Now this could change because it's a yield, not an APR. It's actually a yield. And it can change depending on the profitability or the demand, because they're going to be lending this out. If there's no demand for them to lend, they might have to lower this APY to get people to actually borrow. And so in a few minutes, we'll take a look and see if I actually was getting the 20%, which should have come to approximately 0.55 USDC per day. Now, if we jump over here to my OKEX exchange account, you can see that under my assets, I have a few different accounts. One would be my funding account, my trading account, and then my earn account, where I can basically earn an APY on whatever I have staked or in savings. And right now that balance is only 515, so I can tell you that my staking period for my USDC has ended. However, yesterday when I jumped over to my OKEX earn account, the 30-day period had come due, and at that point it was actually, as you can see, redeeming my staking at that time, and the total earnings were 16.428 and change USDC. And as you can see as a summary, the term was 30 days. The estimated APY was at 20%. The withdrawal amount is my initial staking, which was the 999.40 USDC. And the redeem date, you will see, is a day different than the arrival date. And the arrival date is actually today. So it actually takes 24 hours to unstake these funds. So if I jump back over here to OKEX and come up to the Finance tab, jump over to Earn, that will bring me over here to the Earn feature for OKEX. And if I click on my earnings, you can see the total amount I currently have deposited, and I'm staking Celt and Alpha. All my other stakings have ended, and the only other one I actually had was at USDC. So if I come over here to Order History and give that a click, you will see a few different tabs, including savings, staking, DeFi, peer-to-peer loans, and others. And the only one under savings is Alpha. Now, if I click on the staking tab, that will show my USDC staking. And as you can see, I staked or subscribed these funds on December 22nd at 9 a.m. They were redeemed on January 21st at 9 a.m., which was yesterday at 9 a.m. And the redeeming process did take that 24-hour period. Pretty much at 9 o'clock this morning, I noticed that it had finally redeemed these funds back to me. And that did include the amount I actually staked along with the accumulated yield, which, if we whip out the calculator and do some quick math on this particular number and divide it by the 30 days, you can see I did earn that 0.5476 and change in USDC on a daily basis over 30 days. And I can actually confirm that information by clicking on transactions and doing a search for USDC. And that will pull up all the transactions for this USDC staking that I did for 30 days. And you can see basically on a daily basis, I was basically earning that 0.5476 and change in USDC. So this does appear to be a great way to earn some passive income on my USDC that I might just have sitting around. And now if I want to restake this USDC, I could scroll down to where it says USDC coin 20%, and the term is flexible and fixed depending on what you actually select. And so if I come over here and click on select, you can see that the 20% staking 30 days is sold out. Now that does happen, and what you end up having to do is keep checking back. And right now, since the market is dumping, there's not a whole lot of demand to borrow USDC. Therefore, this is going to be sold out. Now, when or if we see a rebound in the market, this will become available again. And so I will just have to keep checking. So I think that pretty much wraps it up, but I will continue to search for these type of opportunities over here on OKEX Earn. So you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss those videos when I find one of those targets to take a shot at. Now, with that being said, if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. I will drop a link to OKEX in the description down below, and if you use my link, you will get a discount on your trading fees with OKEX. So in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.